Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down the iPhone and removing any case or screen protector so you can access the side cleanly. Visually inspect the volume buttons and the seam for dust, corrosion, or liquid residue. Debris often blocks a proper press. Now press each button several times while watching the gap. This helps dislodge grime. If a button is stuck, gently work it back and forth. Don't force, because bending risks internal damage. Once done, we move to cleaning and software checks. Start with careful cleaning. Use short bursts of compressed air or a soft brush around the button edges to push out dust. Avoid liquids that could drive contaminants inward. Next, back up your data and update iOS because software glitches can disable hardware controls. If the problem persists, reset all settings to rule out configuration issues. Also enable assistive touch and test third-party button apps to confirm whether the issue is mechanical or software-based. If virtual controls work, it's likely a hardware fault. If cleaning and resets fail, consider repair options. Minor DIY fixes exist but require tri-point drivers and opening the chassis. Only attempt if you're comfortable and have guides. Otherwise, contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop for professional button replacement. They'll test microphones, switches, and the logic board to pinpoint failure. As a reliable short-term fix, enable assistive touch or pair a Bluetooth headset or remote to control volume. If repair is delayed, make sure your backup is current before any service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.